Welcome to our channel. If Hulu isn't working on your TV, these troubleshooting steps will help resolve streaming errors and get you back to watching. Step 1. Check your internet connection speed. Hulu requires at least 3 megabits per second for standard streaming and 8 megabits per second for live TV. Step 2. Restart your TV and streaming device. Unplug them for 60 seconds, then plug back in and power on. Step 3. Update the Hulu app. Go to your TV's app store and check for updates. Install if available. Step 4. Clear Hulu app cache and data. Navigate to TV settings, applications, Hulu, then clear cache and clear data. Step 5. Check for TV firmware updates. Go to TV settings, system, software update, and install any available updates. Step 6. Sign out of Hulu and sign back in. This refreshes your account connection and authentication. Step 7. Uninstall and reinstall the Hulu app. Delete the app completely, restart your TV, then download again. Step 8. Try Hulu on another device to determine if the issue is TV specific or account related. Step 9. Contact Hulu support if problems persist. They can check for account issues or known outages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.